Good morning, one and all. I am going to talk about the topic rabies, which is a highly fatal zoonotic disease. I am Dr. Divya C., Assistant Professor, Department of Veterinary Pathology, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Manuti, which comes under Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. To introduce, rabies is one of the most fatal, invariably fatal zoonotic disease. It's a viral infection which affects almost all warm-blooded animals, including humans. And once the disease occurs, there is no cure, and that um, indicates the very importance of this disease. So, we are going to discuss about the diagnostic methods employed for diagnosis of rabies. So, one thing to be understood here is that diagnosis of rabies, that is confirmatory diagnosis of rabies, can be done only on post-mortem samples because we require the brain to be taken out and the test to be performed on brain in order to diagnose rabies. So, what are the precautions to be taken during the conduct of this postmortem? Always wear double glove, cut-resistant glove, protective clothing, and respiratory protectors. Now, a few diagnostic methods which are employed for routine diagnosis of rabies are rapid rabies immunochromatographic test (RRIT), cellular staining where Negri bodies are detected in brain. Then the gold standard test is fluorescent antibody test. Then we also have, and these three are used for routine diagnosis, diagnostic purpose. And the other test, mouse inoculation test, ELISA, PCR, immunohistochemistry, and of course, these four, they are used for epidemiological studies. And then a DRIT, that is a newly developed test that's again used for diagnostic purpose, that is very less costly. Now, to summarize, rabies can be best diagnosed by the gold standard test DFAT, where apple green fluorescence can be detected. Now, these are some of my references. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.